Welcome to the in front of me Honor 20E, and I'll show you how to enable or disable Google Feeds on this device. So in my case, the Google Feeds are activated, and just to turn it off, you should hold for a while your screen with the finger, and you'll see the home screen settings icon. Just tap there, and on this section, feed section, tap here and switch your Google Discover to the none. And now we'll check, and as can you see, I can't open anymore the Google Feeds. And if you want to turn on again the Google Feeds, if you want to enable them, just switch the none to the Google Discover again, and by this way you can just manage this option. So that's how it looks. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.